Hello everybody, I am working on the Hummer today. We have a P0496 error code, which was the EVAP Purge solenoid. It is under this cover right there. It takes one 8mm. Then you have a clip that holds your fuel line on. And you have a clip to hold your electrical, and you have another 8mm nut. I use a little bit of fuel lube on the O-ring right there. Put a little bit of fuel lube, just a light bit. It'll help it slide into the hole. You know, you gotta have a little bit of lube to go into that hole, and screw it all back together. And that should clear your code.